Hi everybody, Sarah from Heavenly Feathered Farms. Today I wanted to show you how to clip the beaks and the nails of chickens. So this is Valerie here, and hopefully she's gonna let me do it. She's kind of a little stinker. So I guess we'll start out with the nails first. So I use just regular like clippers that you would use on people. And when I'm cutting, you can usually see in the nail where there's like a blood. So obviously you're not going to want to go that far. See how that one's not bleeding? So you just want to look at each one to make sure. Sometimes they're really like small and don't need to be done. See, like, you guys probably can't see this, but like on her nail there's like a dark spot and then it's light. You just want to cut you don't want to cut into the blood. So you're just going to cut the light areas on the this one I'm going to do a little bit more. So that's her nails, and now I'm going to show you how to do beaks. And the reason why we do beaks is just so they're evened out. Sometimes they get really long and they're hard for them to eat. And also, if you show your animal, you want to make sure that they're not too long. So I always stick I'll adjust the burr between my legs like this. And then I always, I look down on them and I kind of, ooh, she did not like that. So I grip them so they're going to keep their mouth closed. There we go. So see how it's, I'll put her a little bit closer to the camera. Oops, there it is. See how it's not, oops. Sorry guys. It's perfect. It's like that. So that is how we do beak and nail clipping. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a good day. Bye.